Come join me as we take a look at what's behind door number 11 on the Mechanical Keys Switch Advent Calendar. Why are boy keyboards scared of girl keyboards? They don't want to get QWERTYs. Get it? Cooties. Today's switch is a Zale PC 62 gram blue Xilinx V2 switches. It's PCB mount silent tactile switch. That is a mouthful. It's a pretty color. This will shine through really well with RGB PCBs. Let's see how this Zale polycarbonate blue Xilinx switch sounds like in a board. So there's the Zale blue Xilinx switch. Let me know in the comments what you think of this silent tactile switch. Stay tuned for tomorrow's switch review. I'll see you then.